much better way to understand. You have more number of the cells by using the phones and also the chairs. So in this situation, we are going to be get a lot of the observations. If you just quickly see this fastness subcategory having very less cells. You have to figure it out. You have to figure it out why less cells are for this subcategory. And also you have to look upon all the different very less cells compared to the other cells what we are going to be showcased in this region. It may be possible to get the intuition. It may be possible to get the intuition behind this. This intuition is very important to make some decisions that corresponding to the any kind of the decisions. Get some of the sales why it is going to be very less when compared to the other things. So you need to understand that perspective, then only you can satisfied with some of the observation with corresponding to that. So let's go and check out what are the other plots we had. So we have seen so many plots here. Some of the different plots are going to be showcased, right? The plot is going to be looks like for the staggered bar plot and also the column chart and also the cluster block chart and different plot cluster column chart and also use the 100% staggered bar chart like that. So eventually you had to be separated by using these filters and also the x-axis and also the y-axis. You can see x-axis we take consideration for the subcategory, y-axis we take consideration for the states. You can also see all the different. If I click on this format your visualization, if I click on this, you will also see the other different options to encounter in this area, such as x-axis. Okay, such as x-axis. You want to be colored differently. You want to make the font sizes differently. Different fonts you can be showcased here. You want to be within the area or some other different fonts and also the bolding nature, italic nature, and some underlining nature. Similarly, the title. If you see the title, this is very straightforward. If you want to be specifically mention any kind of the title with corresponding to the every plot, you can mention the title so that it will be very helpful to understand the users and it will very little bit of the generally doing these things. And in the general part, we have another tab called general here. If you see this, you have to get into the properties such as size, position, some advanced option to do any kind of the layer ordering. Even though for the title and some other effective and header icons and tooltips, the tooltips is very helpful at the time we are going to see the different kind of the background images or text images. So we'll also see this much more details and also I will rigorously help us to understand how to take that forward and what are the required things we are going to encounter. And another tab with respect to analysis of the visualization. So this tab is very helpful when the time you need the constant line to apply the or apply some of the settings to effectiveness, some of the different tasks we are going to be showing in the plot. So this is how you have to draw any kind of the plot and make some kind of understanding to get some analysis with corresponding to the column chart and also the staggered bar chart. Staggered bar chart is very helpful when you want to be get all the different kind of the visualization looks like this. So if you just see this plot, this is very helpful to understand. Once you get rid from what exactly the column chart does, this staggered plot is very straightforward. So what exactly we have to, yeah, in this plot you can see we just only have the number of the counts, right? This is the number of the sales counts, count of sales, you can say. So, but what will happen with respect to the staggered bar plot? In this region wise, I'm just taking the subcategory, but in this region wise, I need to showcase. In this region wise, I need to showcase, such as you can see, such as blue dot is represented as a central, some darker blue dot is represented as east, and some red color is represented as a south, some orange color represented as a west. So by using these color format or color mapping with respect to the each and every region, we're going to be understood whoever subcategories are very high when compared to the each and every region. each and every region. So just now we have seen why fasteners are very less sales. Why fasteners are very less sales. So let's dive deep into the region wise, whoever having the sales. If you go and click, if I just pass my cursor here, what will I get? Subcategory fasteners region east sales